The next train arriving at platform Bowdens. Well, after 11 years of displaying at Chelsea Flower Show, I wanted to do something a bit different. So we had this crazy mad idea that we would build an enormous stand in the centre of the floral marquee, and we would get the British Belmont Pullman train, 63 feet long, of course, and 48 tons. And we pull that into position and we build a whole stand full of plant hunters, travel, vintage luggage, a massive glass house. Do you know the difference between glass houses and greenhouses? Now, glass houses and greenhouses have one very big difference. Greenhouse is what you and I normally have, but the posh people always have a glass house. So we had a glass house and we had a platform, and this is the platform that we actually had at Chelsea Flower Show. We didn't know what to do with it, so we just brought it back. And this serves as a testimony and a reminder of all my post-traumatic stress disorder the last 6 years. It was great fun doing the train, and it was a real turning point in many ways for the business. But this is why we've got this here. A forever reminder that we do things differently. If a bit mad, all I have to do is say, come in.